You found a house in the perfect neighborhood, but it needs work to become your dream home. Or maybe you're already living in a house you love, but it's time for a major upgrade. How do you fund the renovations without multiple high-interest loans? The FHA 203K loan from TAM Mortgage is your all-in-one solution. This government-backed mortgage allows you to combine the cost of your home and the cost of renovations into a single loan with one monthly payment. Instead of juggling separate financing for purchase and repairs, you manage it all under one roof. This loan works whether you are buying or staying. If you are purchasing, you can buy a fixer-upper and include the repair costs like a new roof or plumbing right into your mortgage before you move in. If you're a current homeowner, you can refinance. In this case, the new 203K loan pays off your existing mortgage, while the remaining funds are placed in escrow to pay for your renovations. There are two paths to take. The limited 203K is perfect for non-structural updates like kitchen remodels or new flooring, allowing you to finance up to $35,000 in repairs. For major overhauls, the standard 203K covers structural work and additions with a minimum cost of $5,000 and a maximum tied to local FHA limits. Qualification is more flexible than you think. You only need a 580 credit score for a 3.5% down payment, and even credit scores as low as 500 may qualify with 10% down payment. Plus, TAM Mortgage offers stable, fixed-rate payments over time. Contact a TAM Mortgage loan specialist today.
Contact TAM Mortgage today.